activation, 297 West Street, building 113, facilities, rear shop door.
Talk to 0 to east end of the short. You are okay off the east end of the short by the talk to the east end. Over.
Alarm company's going to attempt to contact one.
Wow.
ETA 10 minutes. States there should be a security guard at main gate.
Can you respond code 2, corner of Melville and North Pearl? Got reports of a Hispanic male party, unknown name. RP refused to give it to us, causing a disturbance in the area. Negative. She wouldn't give us anything.
Transformer fire with wires possibly down and arcing in front of number 225 Simons Road, town of Ankrum, crossing to Wiltsey Bridge Road in County Route 7. Call is also reporting power out in the area.
Ave, domestic, Karen DeVerney and Stephen Dudley.
Simons Road, town of Ankrum, crossing to Wiltsey Bridge Road in County Route 7. Call is also reporting power outage in the area. 2218 1176.
Wait a second to rest my hand.
Over. On the west end of one to fuel your power. North Road.
Male patient complaint of some right foot pain. Patient walked into a local establishment. He's from Connecticut. He does have a severe history of Alzheimer's. Police did get a hold of his family. He has a habit of driving off for days. Patient safety has been swept since last night, denying any complaints at this time. There's a huge barrier with the language, very hard to understand. He is alert and oriented. At this time, blood pressure is 140 over 80, pulse sedated, regular respiration is 18. He's denying any other complaints. Active check is 98. Foot looks like it's have a fractured toe. Again, we're going to explain a lot further on arrival. Please bear with us. His family has been contacted. They are coming up from Connecticut. Any questions or comments?
Nice.
State Control announcing a severe thunderstorm warning for Berkshire County until 11:50.
Showtime.
News State Control on all channels at 2221. Dispatcher 508.
Moon just disappeared. Oh man, sweet.
The Advanced National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Berkshire County until 23:15.
On 3 when you get in the clear. Watch out for that guy going in the clear on 2. You can come off the 4 now. 1 power's going to go the new way.